TV party.
What? Yo, what?
Hold on.
W. Oh my God. I gotta breathe that much. Good. There's something chopping over here. I gotta go over here to hear that chopping. Something sound crazy. Facts, I ain't gonna lie, something sound crazy. Wonder what it is. And I think I know what it is. See them, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, for sure. For sure. Let's see. Damn. This bitch is what? Ain't no way. So this dude right here got a switch. He can make his shit quiet and he can make his shit loud, bro. Listen to this shit, bro. I don't know if he's gonna do it right now, but crazy. He gotta wait for it to get to turn, you know what I'm saying, level or something, I don't know. That sounds crazy to me, I ain't gonna lie. It sounds too crazy. Oh my God. Dang, my ears hurt. Oh God. I ain't gonna lie, my ears is ringing right now. Damn, my ears ringing. Nah, for real.
Run it right here, right now. I got a 4-cylinder. It's got a turbo, and I'm slow.
Look, there you go, right there.
Burn out.
This RT.
I was gonna tell him to take it off.
Yeah. Fucked up the road.
You gonna do it? Brembos, okay. I ain't need PP at Brembos on his shit though. Redeem himself. Smoked it. cap. Still deep, about to go downstairs. No cap. But listen, we still deep though, you know what I'm saying? We about to go down, we about to go downtown to do some content or whatever, but still deep, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hopefully we made this light, bro, cause it's civilian on our drive. We're currently back at the main spot. Oh yeah, hold on. Currently back at the main spot, I ain't gonna lie, know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. You know what I'm saying? The big gas station or whatever. Yes. Damn, I ain't gonna lie, this jump look hard. Especially outside. Oh my god, this bitch look good. Too good. But now we out.
I'm trying to buy the scooter.
He stole that bitch.
I plead the fifth.
He said he was gonna put it in the back of his car.
It could fit. Could fit. You got the black forces on, so I don't trust you. I think you probably is. You know, you can sell this for a lot. You can part it out.
They got trackers.
Like,
The battery don't.
I ain't gonna lie. I'm saying it's deep. My God. Deep like always. You feel me? Deep like always. My God. No, yeah. So listen, y'all, know what I'm saying? We currently, you know what I'm saying? Well, I am currently, you know what I'm saying? In the city still right now. But I got a hotel right now. Oh yeah. And to be honest with y'all, I only got this for one night. Hold up, let me see. I'm gonna turn the camera back on in a few. So basically, like I said, you know what I'm saying? I came here, got a hotel for another, you know what I'm saying, night, you feel me? But listen, you know what I'm saying? My baby's right here, and I'm about to start her up. No yap, give her a cold start for y'all. Hold up. See, a little cold start. Let me grab my key in my pocket. Hold up. Where's my key at? My key at? Where my key at? Where my key at? A little cold start things, you know what I'm saying? You know it. Oh, my camera foggy. The heck? My camera foggy. I'm gonna give it a little cold start or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. She's not gonna stay on because she catless, you know what I'm saying? So let's see. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. But yeah, let me hurry up. Press on inside the car. You know it's not gonna stay on if I don't press on, bro. No, Kevin's not gonna stay on if I don't press on, so I had to, you know what I'm saying? But listen, I ain't gonna lie, right now I'm about to go to Waffle House right now, and I need fun. Oh, here you go, right here. But yeah, I'm about to go to Waffle. I had thought I lost this, I couldn't end my videos, but I'm about to go to Waffle House right now, or IHOP or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Give me some food from IHOP, you feel me? And I ain't gonna lie, I don't really eat IHOP. I haven't been to IHOP in so long, bro. I'm confused, you know what I'm saying? I just don't know what to get. I don't know what to do, bro, but gotta do what you gotta do, my guy. So yeah, I'm about to go pick up this food, and then after I pick up this food, I eat, buzz down on it. And then, yeah. So I'm gonna tune y'all in, you know what I'm saying, whenever something. I might get a little POV too. I'm saying, like, I'm just hyped. I got this new mic, you know what I'm saying? I can, you know what I'm saying, get that content in for sure. So yeah, you know what I'm saying, look, oh, my microphone about to fall off, oh shit. So look, basically, you know what I'm saying, I'm at the food place right now. You see I'm at IHOP. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm at IHOP right now. I don't know, I'm at IHOP right now. But you know what I'm saying, I was having trouble with my mic already, bro. I was having trouble with my mic already, bro. So, like, you know what I'm saying? Right now, what I'm about to do, I'm about to just go inside this place, you know what I'm saying, get the food and stuff like that. When I get the food, I'm about to just come back out, and you know what I'm saying, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I'm yeah, probably like a point of view or something like that, you know what I'm saying? POV drive, maybe me going back to the hotel or something like that. So, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all tune in, you know what I'm saying? I'm hyped, you know what I'm saying? I'm ready to get this content through, you feel me? And I know I said I quit, bro, but just vibe, bro. You gotta just vibe. You gotta just vibe sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Because at the same time, you gotta understand everybody go through shit. You know what I'm saying? Of course, you know what I'm saying? It's not always sunshine and peaches and roses and shit like that, but you know what I'm saying? You know, you gotta move on. Life keep going, you feel me? Life go on, you feel me? Keep going, you know what I'm saying? Keep grinding, my guy. Okay, don't. The food is secure. I'm trying to do some fools. No cap. I feel like it's 4th of July this bit. I'm telling State Trooper up there. Fuck it. State Trooper's up there. He's up there. I don't go. No, you feel me? I'm almost at the hotel though, you feel me? So I'm out of now saying. go. Here we go, back to the car again. And I'm a whole different fit too. I'm a whole different fit, you feel me? No, yeah, well, to be honest with y'all, look, listen. It hasn't even been 2 hours yet, bro. And guess what, I'm going back to the store, bro. I mean, I think it has been 2 hours. I went to the store earlier around like, shit like, I say 11, 12 to get food, but now it's 4:14 right now. We about to go get, I'm saying, some Cordoba, you feel me? If y'all don't know about Cordoba, I'm saying, go, you better Chipotle, bro. Like I was saying though, if y'all don't know about no Cordoba, it's better than Chipotle, bro. Honestly, you know what I'm saying? So I feel like y'all should just get it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should try it, but another cold start. I don't know if it's cold because I did start it up today, but it's been a couple hours, so start it up real quick. For the one time. Oh my gosh, no. It's loud. Let me hurry up and get inside the car and start it up. Okay, but I had to hurry up and get inside the car and start it up, but basically, you know what I'm saying? This time, it's like literally the same location that the IHOP was at, bro. So I'm about to give y'all a point of view drive, you know what I'm saying? The way there, the whole way there, bro. Y'all ready, bro? Let me see. Point of view drive, POV drive. Dang, it's blurry again. It's foggy again. No. Okay, bad. Alright, bet, so here you go to POV drive. You know what I'm saying? That I said I was gonna get y'all before, but I never got to get y'all because I tried to I can't talk. I had to fix the mic, bro. Here you go, right here. I'm gonna put that screen on, you feel me? A little pull. I can't wait till I get my paddle shifters, bro, so I can, you know what I'm saying, get right, bro. I need to get, bro, somebody was about to, hold up. But look, so somebody was gonna sell me their steering wheels, like an SRT steering wheel. If y'all know like the 11 through 14 SRT steering wheel, they gonna send me that for 200. But they bullshitted me, bro. But you know what I'm saying, so basically what I'm doing right now, and I'm saying, yeah, I'm just thugging it out with the little, with this little thing right here, you feel me? If I had a pedal shifters, I'd be good, factual. But let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get to the right page real quick. Get to the right page. Right back. Y'all ready for the pull? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah, tight shit, hold up. Y'all ready again for the next little pull? Hold up. Y'all ready for the next little pull? Let me get past this person real quick. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. I ain't gonna lie. This jug kicking, my guy. How do I tell you that thing is kicking, my guy? No, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, Cordoba is literally right there. You can probably see like the sign. Wish my camera was good with the zoom in, but the Cordoba is literally right there where my finger is pointed at. So to be honest with y'all, I'm about to go to Cordoba, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to go get this eats, you know what I'm saying? I might turn my camera on when I don't know. I might turn it on when I start driving again, but we had a red light obviously, so I'm gonna just, you know what I'm saying, tap y'all in whenever, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, my guy. Bag secured, my guy. I'm trying to pull off. I ain't gonna lie. I did keep my car running the whole time when I was inside that store, so I ain't gonna lie, I'm out of gas. But I'm still gonna tweak up for y'all, my guys. Don't worry about it. Time to get action in. Time to get back in motion right now. Time to get back in motion right now. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, my guy. And I'm doing it with my knee because I got to change the gears and shit like that with my hand. And also I got, you know what I'm saying, steer. I'm doing this shit with I'm turning with my knee while I'm changing the gear and then get back to the steering wheels and shit. Actual. Hold up. can't really tweak up because a lot of cars on this side. There's a lot of cars up here with me. So I can't really tweak up how I want to, but you know, I can still, you know what I'm saying, pop a little bit. I'm saying, a little song. You feel me? Tight shit. I can still tweak up a little bit.